If you're like me, you probably bought a rather cheap iCar adapter cassette player thingy, and it probably makes a lot of sound and is really annoying. So I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Alright, so let's do this. So you may notice that with your cheap CarPlay, when you play it, it makes some rather large, long, and annoying clicking sounds. You can't really hear it very well through the camera, but it's very very loud when listening to music. So to fix that, I'm just going to take it out, and we're going to take a screwdriver and work on unscrewing the screws. So I'm going to do that real quick. Alright, I've unscrewed the screws, so we can take off the cap, and as you can see, we have all these little gears in here, and they're little plastic gears. We can just take them out. Really, we can just, dump the whole thing, because they're really pointless. They just are there. So we can put the cap back on, and yep, just snap that on, and that's pretty much it. We just need to screw back in the screws. So let me get these and put that in.
Honey, come to bed.
Alright. So I've screwed all of the screws back in, and we can plug that in. Plug in the audio, click play. As you can hear, you can't hear any of the clicking sounds. Sounds great. Alright, thank you for watching. Please like, share, whatever, comment. I'm not sure.